Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. And this video, I'm going to discuss about the stock selection for tomorrow. But yesterday, I'm not able to make the video for a stock selection. And today, there is a Bank Nifty. 2 days back, we discussed about the doji that we are focusing it for Monday. And exactly the doji is broken. The high of the doji is broken around 39,595, and the same day it moves towards 39,868 as a positional trade. After this doji, it broken up 47,000 today high, and after that it is a ending negative. And if you focus this Bank Nifty, and today also there is a good opportunity where it is comes to that entry point at the same level today, and after that it zooms, and finally it coming down to the same level as a positional trade. From that level of 39,600 it went up to 40,000, nearby 40,100, almost 500 points move after that doji. So based on the candlesticks pattern, we are taken out the stock, and few stocks we are discussing about. And today what I'm going to do here, and what are the stocks which we have focused recently. I thought some other stocks forming a hammer and a shooting star that we are mainly focusing for stock selection that will help you for an intraday as well as positional trade, mainly the shooting star and hammer. So let me go for what are the stocks we previously selected, not about today I'm talking about. So yesterday, because we are not making a video, but it was a great opportunity by using the candlesticks pattern to find out the trend very easily. And that's about a few stocks we selected day before. That is what are the stocks we are focusing it for. Let me go to check it out. And Bank Nifty one we are discussing about yesterday, and some other stocks like Nifty Bank. I'm checking it for what are the stocks which I'm focusing it for. ABFRL, I think we are discussing about shooting star, right? ABFRL. And let's go to check ABFRL. It's a forms shooting star here, and it broken the shooting star and went higher, and today also it started a little bit higher than that, but it is not working the shooting star. Let me check it out. And 2 days back what happened, by opening candle at that time we are discussing about that previous one that we are focusing for 5th of September, a 5 minutes time frame. 5th September opening is our key. 2nd September, and when is the 5th September? Yeah, first 5 minutes, where it is here. Yeah, 5th September it was opening higher, and it broke the low, and finally it may triggers your stop loss. The stock may triggers your stop loss. It's a correct entry, but it the shooting star is not working yet, and it maybe triggers your stop loss on this trade, right? And some other stocks also we are discussing about. MGL also we are discussed on the day MGL. And let's look at this. This was worked, and it was triggers the entry, and it is still in profit. It never triggered you stop loss. And what other stocks we focused? Polycap, right? Polycap. These are the stocks which we are taken for Monday. Polycap doesn't give you any entry. And other stocks we discussed about something new, and we got to check. So that are the stocks not worked good. One or two gives you entry. But whatever the stocks which we are going to focus for tomorrow, let me discuss here with the charting scanner we have already. And this scanner will help you to find hammer and shooting star kind of candle. And in the shooting star, this is not our scanner. Let me go for stock selection for tomorrow. Here doji at bottom and doji at top. We don't have any stocks for tomorrow. There is no doji stocks we find out by the scanner. And the shooting star, we have the scanner which is a shooting star on individual scanner. By the scanner shooting star, if any stock which present for a sell opportunity, by the number 3 we didn't get any stocks. And number 2, let me check it out. GMR Infra and Laras Lab. GMR Infra is a very low value stocks. We don't go for the GMR Infra, and lot size also very big. Laras Lab, let me go for a Laras Lab. What a shooting star. It is not happening at the top. So why I'm focusing it for any shooting star which is happening at highest level? There is a trend reversal would be highly possible. The previous trend is up, and this shooting star and the trend is reversed, but it is happening middle of the trend. The shooting star which is happening at middle of the trend, so may not be the reversal. So that's why I ignore this stock. I'm not going to focus on this one, Laras Lab. Let me go for Hammer. That is where it is forms any kind of Alchem Laboratories on the number 3 Hammer. Let me go for Alchem, and let me look at this Alchem Laboratories. So looks like a doji as well as a hammer after 4 consecutive up from the bottom after a gap down opening from this area, and it has started moving higher and higher, and it forms a doji kind of candle at the top. So looks good. Hammer as well as doji. It became hammer, became laboratories. Looks like a hammer. It is showing you. Let me go for Kim. So not got a confirmation, so leave it. Halke. Future is different and the spot is different. So let me find out number 2. So Coromandel, National Aluminium, GAIL. GAIL is the split. I think the bonus something is 31% down. So avoid. Became National Aluminium. Coromandel. Let's we go for a Coromandel. Coromandel. Most of the time it may happen like a doji and a hammer. It looks good. This one Coromandel. Let us also be a middle of the trend, so ignore it. And finally National Aluminium. National Aluminium should also be in the middle of the trend. No stocks were good for tomorrow's trade. Let me find out some other scanners and dashboards and find out the stock which is for tomorrow. We go for single candlesticks reversal pattern. The spinning top, most of the candles which forms a spinning top, and a hammer candle which is present in India Bull Housing Finance on daily time frame. Let me go to iBull Housing Finance. India Bull Housing Finance, which is from a hammer, that is also be middle, but it looks good. Previously we have this hammer, and it still just continues the trend. Previously we find out by the hammer. This is what the hammer. Still the stock is moving towards upside. So maybe this looks good because already in buy. So if it is breaks above this level, so we can go for a buy in India Bull Housing Finance. This is a middle of the trend, but previous trend is also be buy based on the hammer. So this hammer, what was the risk for the trade? Is simply about 136 and 136.7 and 132.5 is the low. If it is breaks above 136.7, we can focus it for a buy with the stop loss of 132 in India Bull Housing Finance. So that's about the only one stock. Let me go for a tomorrow India Bull Housing Finance, how it is going to perform. Some other methods, the double triple candle, it is a positional trade, not for an intraday, but we can use this single candlesticks for an intraday as well as positional. The only one stock which is India Bull Housing Finance, you can focus it for. So these are the stocks which is on double candlesticks pattern, HDFC, BL, Axis Bank, bearish engulfing, and a lot of stocks pricing line, user bottom, bullish Harami. So looks good, bullish Harami as a positional trade, Godrej CP. It's CP consumer product. Yeah, it is about a bullish Harami where the stop loss is very big for the thing because the previous day is a big down. So 923 above we can go for a buy. 890 should be the stop loss. It is not intraday, it is a purely a positional. It's a bullish kind of trade where it is broke above the 923. We can go for a buy, and we can keep the stop loss around 890, or we can focus for a selling opportunity also because it has already moved up. So this is a pattern which is present at nearby the top. This is yesterday is the top still candle, and if it is breaks below there in the low, we can go for a sell also. So here that was a positional trade, not for intraday. It's a purely positional trade which we can focus for a Godrej CP tomorrow. So only two stocks, one is a Godrej CP and another one is India Bull Housing Finance. Let me look at what will happen on the stocks by tomorrow. Thank you for watching this video. If you are not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, kindly subscribe the channel to get more updates. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you very much.